Navigating politeness. Understanding cultural differences in English requests and offers. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting session in our series of intermediate grammar lessons. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of requests and offers. Specifically, we'll be addressing the crucial topic of understanding cultural differences in politeness. Understanding these differences can dramatically improve your English communication skills, especially when interacting with people from diverse cultural backgrounds. So, let's get started. Politeness can have various interpretations and applications across different cultures. It's important to note that what might seem polite in one culture may not be considered as such in another. In English-speaking cultures, politeness often includes the usage of modal verbs and certain phrases to make requests and offers. Expressing politeness can go a long way in building relationships, promoting mutual respect, and ensuring effective communication. In English-speaking cultures, people often use indirect speech when making requests or offers, as a way to be polite. The use of modal verbs like could, would, and may can help soften the command, making it sound more like a request or suggestion. For example, instead of saying, "Give me the book," you might say, "Could you please pass me the book?" This indirectness is a common characteristic of polite speech in many English-speaking cultures. While the concept of politeness is universal, how it's expressed varies greatly. For instance, in some cultures, it's polite to be very direct. In others, too much directness can be perceived as rude. Cultural nuances play a significant role in the way politeness is expressed and interpreted. For instance, in some English-speaking countries like the United States, individuals tend to be more direct, while in others like the United Kingdom, communication might be more indirect and subtle. Practicing is the key to mastering the art of making polite requests and offers in English. Here are some phrases you can start using. Could you, or would you mind, for requests. Would you like, or may I offer, for offers. Always remember that the tone of your voice and the context also play a significant role in conveying politeness. That's a wrap on our lesson about understanding cultural differences in politeness when making requests and offers in English. Always keep in mind that the expression of politeness can differ across cultures. However, the essence of being respectful and considerate to others remains the same worldwide. So, continue practicing, stay curious, and keep learning. We hope this lesson helps you communicate more effectively and politely in English, no matter where you are in the world. Until next time, happy learning!